Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to delete a cover photo on Facebook, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So first of all, open up your Facebook app and then come to your profile section. So here just simply tap on this camera icon on your cover photo and tap on view profile picture. So once you come to your profile, just simply tap on the three lines on the top right corner, and here you can see a delete photo option. Just simply tap on delete photo and tap on delete to continue. So that's how you can easily delete a cover photo on Facebook. So here you can see it gets deleted. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks guys. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel. And I will recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen.